Hello there, how are you? Hope you're well. Today I'm going to demonstrate my data engineering skill, which I'm, I have built a data streaming pipeline in Azure. So I'm going to explain step by step. Okay. Now this is our main workflow. We're going to have satellite images and tweets with the CSV formats from Kaggle. I'm gonna implement it on my machine using Python libraries. After that, I will implement the JSON file for API management. This JSON. Also, I'm gonna send API request with HTTP header into Azure Gateway, which is the API management service. Once successfully passed through the API management service, it will trigger the Azure functions. Azure functions is binded with the blob storage and event hubs. We can see some logs in the event hub. After then, we will be implement again another Azure functions. The next function will take care of that records into Cosmos DB. The Cosmos DB is the one of NoSQL database of Azure Microsoft. Once it's stored in Cosmos, we can fetch it from Power BI Desktop, then see the reports and dashboards. One more thing, Azure demonstration goal is I'm going to build the connect API management, also process on the Azure functions in Python. Then I'm going to build the event hub for buffering, store and serve. We're going to use blob storage and Cosmos DB. Since we can move a database, eventually we're going to use the core SQL API to somewhere else. Lastly, we're going to use Power BI in visualization tool. Before we start, I would like to show my real working project. After then, I will explain it step by step. Okay, now I'm gonna run Python, and then this will start a push tweets Python script with only 3 tweets to push to Azure. Then, okay, I just pushed it. Then let's see on live server, live metrics server. Yeah, this one, incoming request we have, outgoing request we have. So also this we can see function log in here. Yeah, actually we can do it again in here. This time just 2 tweets. Then see. Okay. Sending to event hub. Yeah, actually this trigger starts from API and into event hub. Once event hub received this function, next function will be triggered. This is the event hub trigger to Cosmos DB. Actually this trigger starts from API, and once event hub received this function, next function will be triggered. This is the event hub trigger to Cosmos DB. This records in Cosmos DB. So I just pushed twice 3 and 2, and total 5 tweets should be stored in here. Let's refresh it again. Oh. Yeah, we have received. First part is local pre-processing and message emulation. In this part, we're gonna create tweets JSON file, and the original file is the CSV file, which I downloaded from Kaggle. Next one is a lot of the small satellite images we're gonna convert into CSV. After then we will transfer them into JSON. Like this image file will be converted to this CSV. This CSV converted to JSON. The tweets into JSON. After then we're gonna convert that JSON into this JSON. Actually, this one has combined with the image, and I have created account ID, which is some fake ID for storing storage. Like before I go in this way, we have to create the environment. Actually, I'm using Windows subsystem Ubuntu, but this time I need to create new environment, because I don't want to change my current subsystem environment. So in order to that, there is a simple way to create easily environment. We can just install remote container. Opened this one. Once I installed once I opened the development container, this will create a Docker image file. All our work will be included in the Docker file. So inside this Docker container, okay, let's do some data extraction. So I'm going to use this image name and photo, which will help to create JSON formatted file. So in order to do that, I'm going to use this script. Actually, this will just get in the photo name and file name, and then convert into CSV file, then save it in here. So there is nothing in here. Python there last time. Then now we have a CSV file. Once it's done, we wanna use next script. This will help. This script will help extract this CSV file into JSON format, JSON file. Also, it will create separated small CSV files for batch processing. This into JSON format, JSON file. Also, it will create separated small CSV files for batch processing. Now we just created this JSON. This JSON is here. Next step is we're gonna merge with the image, and then create this JSON file. In order to do that, we're gonna use this old JSON and image CSV file. Then we merged into this JSON file using